Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which of the following is a special plastic suitable for non-stick coating on kitchen utensil? Your right answer is Teflon. Option B is your correct answer. How many zodiac signs are mentioned in the solar calendar? Your right answer is 12. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is a jurisdictions of the High Court of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Your right answer is Calcutta High Court. Option B is your correct answer. Policy committee came into existence. Your right answer is 1st January 2015. Option A is your correct answer. In which state will the proposed National Sports University be established? Your right answer is Manipur. Option B is your correct answer. The method of regulating the exchange of world currency was started by dash. Your right answer is International Monetary Fund. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following was written by the epic sage Vedavyasa? Your right answer is Mahabharata. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is India's highest sporting award? Your right answer is Rajiv Gandhi Sports Games Award. Option A is your correct answer. Who constituted the State Recognition Commission in December 1953? Your right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C is your correct answer. What is the subject of the book Astadhyayi written by Panini? Your right answer is grammar. Option C is your correct answer. By which constitution amendment the word secular was added in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is 42nd Constitution Amendment Act. Option C is your correct answer. The velocity change of an object is every unit time is called dash. Your right answer is acceleration. Option B is your correct answer. The vegetation grown in the British climate is characterized by. Your right answer is decline 1. Option D is your correct answer. Western cyclone originate. Your right answer is from the Mediterranean. Your right answer is option B. According to the Bohr-Well methodology, the maximum amount of an atom can be up to dash. Your right answer is maximum 8 electrons. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following disease is not caused by bacteria? Your right answer is hepatitis A. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following state has more than one nuclear power plant? Your right answer is Tamil Nadu. Option D is your correct answer. In human, when a sperm containing X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote develops in the form of dash. Your right answer is female infant. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following article is related to the Finance Commission? Your right answer is Article 280. Option C is your correct answer. According to which of the following, the total value of essential commodities in the economy is always equal to the total value of supply? Your right answer is law of Walras. Option B is your correct answer. In which year was a council of ministers with a council of ministers which was chief minister? Your right answer is 1992. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is India's highest civilian award? Your right answer is Bharat Ratna. Option D is your correct answer. Under which of the following paragraph was the provision of setting up the National Schedule Caste ST Commission? Your right answer is Article 338. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to the capital account convertibility? Your right answer is SS Tarapur Committee. Option B is your correct answer. Indian Railway is the headquarters of the southern region. Your right answer is Chennai. Option A is your correct answer. According to the Indian Constitution, the youngest is to become governor. Your right answer is 35 years. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the founder of the Rashtrakuta dynasty? Your right answer is Danti Durga. Option B is your correct answer. In which state is the Ukai multi-purpose river Bhale project situated? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is considered to be the last of 24 Jain Tirthankars? Your right answer is Mahavira. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is available in plant cell only? Your right answer is reed or plastid. Option B is your correct answer. Paris is a city on the bank of which river? Your right answer is Seine. Option B is your correct answer. Who founded the Servant of Indian Society? Your right answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following union territory has the highest population density? Your right answer is Delhi. Option D is your correct answer. In the given option, equestrian sports is related to dash. Your right answer is horseback riding. Option D is your correct answer. In the event of oscillation, the number of oscillation per second is called dash. Your right answer is frequency. Option C is your correct answer. What is the capital of Bolivia? Your right answer is Sucre. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is called a money market? Your right answer is working capital market. Option A is your correct answer. The production of human sound is due to vibration in dash. Your right answer is vocal. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following article is applicable to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Your right answer is Article 1 and Article 370. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following mangrove forest is found in West Bengal? Your right answer is Sundarban, West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. Its chief minister is Mamata Banerjee. The indigenous sports kabaddi rule were first created in which state? Your right answer is Maharashtra. Option D is your correct answer. Its capital is Mumbai. Who was the successor of Chandragupta Maurya? Your right answer is Bindusar. Option B is your correct answer. Ashoka father name is Bindusar. Which of the following word is not related to the cricket game? Your right answer is steeplechase. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a fundamental skill of hockey? Your right answer is skiing. Option D is your correct answer. The world famous Majuli festival is celebrated in dash. Your right answer is Assam. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is expressed in kilogram per cubic meter, kg per meter cube? Your right answer is density. Option B is your correct answer. The lion colored pillar head is Saranadi was built by whom? Your right answer is Ashok. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is not revenue expenditure for the government? Your right answer is tax collection. Option D is your correct answer. Who has the right to set up and reconstitute autonomous district under the 6th schedule? Your right answer is governor. Option C is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class. Question of 50. The cold dry wind coming from the Rhone Valley are called. Your right answer is Mistral. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.